పడిపోద్ది నాన్న ఇట్లా కదిలిస్తే జరుపు కొంచెం మేడం పిన్ చేసుకో ఏం చెప్పాలా నీకు మేడం పిన్ చేసుకున్నా Very good morning to all. Screen is visible. Voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yesterday class continuation, that is the iron carbon phase diagram. Sometimes it is noted as a iron carbide diagram. So yesterday class we are already discussed briefly introduction about the iron carbon diagram. It is one of the binary phase diagram. So in binary is nothing but it is a combination of minimum two elements. So that type of elements will be exhibit various allotropic changes in equilibrium condition. So yesterday I already said allotropic is nothing but some of the chemical elements it's exhibit in equilibrium condition. It's exhibit physical and chemical behaviors, changing the chemical and physical behaviors. It leads to resultant to change the structure, one structure to another structure, like BCC to FCC, FCC to BCC, like that. One changing of the structure, it is possible during solidification. కూర్చొని కూర్చోలేదు ఒక చోట continuation. Here the allotropic process is the most important. If you are not identify these allotropic methods, the equilibrium condition will be unstable or sometimes metastable. That point, according to that point, we are maintain the constant temperatures at various levels in the equilibrium condition. Equilibrium diagram. See here, it is around 1492 degrees centigrade or 1493 degrees centigrade. It is the one of the constant line. Second constant line, it is a 1147. Some textbooks following 1130 degrees centigrade. One more constant line, 723 or 727 degrees centigrade. So these three lines are most important. These three lines are under constant temperature lines. So if you maintain the constant temperature line, equilibrium will be stable. So first, one by one, we are discussed. Now, see 1493 degrees centigrade, the liquid state of molten metal is goes to delta ferrite. It is also solid solution of carbon. So its resultant, it is a BCC structure of iron. BCC is nothing but body center cubic structure. The same structure as alpha ferrite. So both are similar. Which one? Delta ferrite and alpha ferrite, both are similar. Structure is similar, but solution will be different. What is the solution? Solid solution. Initially, the complete liquid solution. This liquid solution will be goes to solidification. During solidification, it is one of the mixed region. It is a delta ferrite. It is also looks like same as a alpha ferrite. So this structure is similar to the one more structure. The stable at high temperatures above 1394 degrees centigrade. So minimum to minimum If you are maintain the 1394 degrees centigrade, the total equilibrium will be stable. So at initial condition, melts at 1538 or 1539 degrees centigrade. So plus or minus is acceptable. Plus or minus deviation is acceptable for temperature. So one textbook following 1539, one of the textbook following 1538, according to room condition, climatic condition, regional condition. So here the iron is melts at pure 1538 or 1539 degrees centigrade. So initially the melting is important. Secondary, the certification is important. So here important points. Here what type of structure, what type of name, what type of temperature, the 3 points are important at various locations. In this condition, it is a delta ferrite. It is a solid solution of carbon BCC structure. At the same time, this structure is similarly to the alpha ferrite. So here alpha is available. It is a ferrite structure. It is ferrite. So both are similar. At the same time, minimum to minimum, you can maintain the temperature 1394 degrees centigrade, but melting temperature is 1539 degrees centigrade. So as well as nearly by 100 degrees centigrade is varied. So you can maintain them nearly by 1400 degrees centigrade. You can maintain. If you are not maintain the temperature, what happen? Your equilibrium is unstable. What is the resultant? Your solidification is easily solidified. So to avoid the rapid solidification by maintaining of initial temperature, sometimes it's resultant fast solidification. Now second one, gamma aconite. It is also solid solution. What is the meaning of solid solution? It is not pure solid, it is a partial solid. So gamma aconite is one of the solid solution of carbon in FCC structure of ferrite. So here the changing is possible. Why here how it is possible? By due to the allotropic process, the BCC structure, right? BCC structure is converted into FCC structure. So during solidification, higher temperature is goes to lower temperature. The BCC structure is goes to FCC structure. So here the maximum solubility of the carbon is 2.14. So in this case, a minimum to minimum minimum to minimum maximum to maximum 2.14 weight ratio of carbon. See here maximum to maximum. Please wait 1 minute. ఏంటన్నా డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తావు చెప్పు. So in this case, second case, aconite structure, solid solution, maximum solubility is 2.14. So this point, from this point onwards, this point is occur from 1130 degrees centigrade to 1147 degrees centigrade. So the transformation of BCC, the transformation of BCC delta ferrite at 1395 degrees centigrade. Previously, we are already measured 1394 degrees centigrade. So it is nearly by 1 degree will be varied. So what is the difference? If you have changed the temperature at lower or higher, the structure will be changed. BCC to FCC or FCC to BCC. So here important point, this temperature maintenance is important, 1394 or 1395. So if you are cross the boundaries from upper or lower level, the structure will be changed. BCC here, BCC structure. If you are cross the temperature, this point, the entire structure will be changed. Is not stable below the eutectic temperature. So here important point, is not stable below the eutectic temperature. Eutectic temperature means 727 degrees centigrade. See, this point is 727 degrees centigrade. Some of the textbooks following 723 degrees centigrade. Don't confuse. Nearly by 5 degrees is acceptable. So from this point, so minimum, maximum. Minimum temperature 727 degrees centigrade. Maximum 1394 degrees centigrade. In between, the ferrite is it is looks like gamma asteroid. So here, if you are not maintain the 727 degrees centigrade, what happened? Again, the FCC structure is goes to again BCC structure of iron. So minimum to minimum during solidification, maintain the initial temperature 1394 degrees centigrade, and second temperature 727 degrees centigrade unless cooled rapidly. So if you are not maintaining this temperature, what happened? Rapid cooling is possible, but here rapid cooling is not required. Now, third one, alpha ferrite, very very important. Alpha ferrite, it is also solid solution of carbon in BCC ferrite. So BCC nothing but here initially BCC structure is converted into FCC. Again FCC structure is converted into BCC structure. So here allotropic process again it is applied. Initially one step allotropic process is applied. Again second step it is also under allotropic process. So previous class I already said a pure iron having three types of steps is important at initial and secondary, and stable form of iron at room temperature. So here the iron is stable. Why? Because here the same structure will be formed BCC and BCC. So it is a delta and it is alpha. Both structures are same. The maximum solubility of the carbon is 0.022. So it is the maximum percentage of the solubility of the carbon. So 0.02 percentage.
సార్ అప్ టు 720 degrees దాకా కూడా బీసీ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంటుందా సార్?
Yes, Babu. If you are not main the temperature, what happened here? Very very important point. Magnetic property will be lost. See, see here 12 degrees centigrade. It is the region is the most important. If you are maintain this temperature, or if you are not maintain this temperature, either one, what happened? Either magnetic property will be lost or magnetic property will be applicable. So if you are cross the 727 degrees centigrade up to 912 degrees centigrade, between this region, only particular this between region, there is no magnetic property will be applicable. So either below or above we are, and this is attractable. So attraction is possible at higher temperature of 912 degrees centigrade or below the 727 degrees centigrade. So in between the region, there is no
స్ట్రక్చర్ చేంజ్.
not structure here important magnification. That magnetic property will be losses for iron. Which temperatures? Between 727 degrees to 912 degrees centigrade. In the between region, there is no magnetic property for iron. Commonly iron having, it is one of the ferrous material, so common property, it is attractable. So in between there is no magnetic property. So we are maintain the temperatures. That means అట్రాక్షన్ కావాలంటే ఏంటి, సమ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ మిక్స్ చేయాలంటే మనకి ఇక్కడన్నా చేయాలి లేదా ఇక్కడన్నా చేయాలి. మనకి ఎక్కడ పాజిబిలిటీ ఉంది? హయ్యర్ టెంపరేచర్స్లోనే పాజిబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ మెయింటైన్ దిస్ టెంపరేచర్, ద అలా ఎలిమెంట్స్ విల్ బి ప్రాపర్లీ మిక్స్డ్ విత్ ఐరన్. So in between region, if you are not when this temperature, what happened? Totally magnetic properties will be losses. So some of the repulsions will be occurred. That means attraction కాకుండా repulsion అయిపోతుంది some of the elements. ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటే మ్యాక్సిమం ఇక్కడ ఐరన్ కార్బన్ డయాగ్రామ్ లో కార్బన్ సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఇస్ ద కార్బన్. బట్ ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద
నాట్ ఆడిబుల్ సార్.
But formation of the steels and cast iron by adding of some more alloy elements. What is the alloy elements commonly? To elevate the existing properties. It is the second step. But in primary step, we are using only iron and carbon. Which element is added? Maximum carbon elements is added to iron. So here attraction of carbon with iron is important. So particularly this region, there is no magnetic property. Which region? 727 degrees centigrade to 912 degrees centigrade. So in between region, you can leave it. But this point is important. Just identification, justification purpose, it is important. Now, the maximum solubility is 0.02 from this point. 0.02 percentage of the carbon. So it is a maximum percentage for alpha ferrite. It is a soft nature. Now transformation of BCC, sorry, transformation of FCC, phase center cubic structure, all gamma arsenic at 912 degrees centigrade. So from this point onwards, that FCC structure will be coming from arsenic structure. Arsenic structure is again converted into gamma arsenic. Sorry, gamma arsenic is converted into alpha ferrite state. So if you are cross the boundary, what happens? This type of structure is again converted into one more structure. FCC is converted into BCC. Finally, one more important point. Last region, that is the ferrite or ferrite carbon region or cementite region, iron carbide or cementite region. This intermetallic compound is metastable. What happened here initially? Initially the alpha ferrite is very soft, in between region soft, and this region up to 4.3 percentage it is a hard and more hardable. So this more hardable region is a intermetallic compound, is metastable. Why metastable? If you have changed the temperature, the hardness will be losses is possible. It remains as a compound indefinitely at room temperature. So we are commonly solidification starts from higher temperature to room temperature, higher liquid state to solid state, but decompose very slowly with several years. And what is the meaning? If this region is very hardable, the decomposition is very slowly at room condition. If you are just, you can place the this type of irons into outside, decomposition is very slowly. Decomposition means rust formation is very slowly for iron. It is a common property of iron. Now into alpha ferrite and carbide at 650 degrees centigrade to 700 degrees centigrade. So from this point, what type of temperature? 650 to 700 degrees centigrade. 650 means it is nearly by this constant temperature line. So it is a 727 degrees centigrade. So nearly by here, this region, if you are maintain the temperature, what happen? The decomposition is very slow. That means rust nature will be avoiding purpose. Again, the temperature will be maintained. See, here we are already discussed liquid state, it is a solid state. In between having so many mixed states is available during solidification point. But here some of the notations are available. See, here A2, A1, A2, A3, A4, ACM lines. That notations are most important. See here, temperature arrest nature is important. A is nothing but A, well, it stands a arrest the temperature. That means to maintain the temperature. Which lines? A4 from this point, A2 from this point alpha ferrite, and A3, A1, ACM. ACM is nothing but it is the boundary of between gamma arsenic 2 and the arsenic of cementite field. It is the between the fields. So here A1 is there is A1 727 degrees centigrade and A2 alpha ferrite and A3. It is the boundary between gamma arsenic to arsenic ferrite field. It is a mixed region. It is the boundary of between fields A3 and A4. A4 is nothing but it is the point in the case where alpha changes to it is a alpha changes to delta at higher temperatures. Now finally ACM lines. It is the boundary line between the gamma arsenic to arsenic cementite field. It is a mixed fields. So in iron carbon diagram, you can maintain the 5 temperatures A1, A2, A3, A4 and ACM. These 5 temperatures are important. One more important, what type of invariant reactions will be occurred in iron carbon diagram. Initially, in this case, at 1492 to 1493 degree centigrade. Textbook to textbook, some of the variation is there. 1492 degree centigrade. First peritectic reaction will be occur at 1492 degree centigrade. Second, eutectic reaction will be formed at 1130 degree centigrade or 1147 degree centigrade. It is eutectic point. Eutectic point. Now third, again peritectic reaction will be occur. How many peritectic reactions will be occurred in the iron carbon diagram? Initially one, and third is also peritectic reaction. Fourth one, it is a eutectoid. So solidification, complete solidification starts from this point. So in between, it is totally, it is a liquid region, it is a mixed region, it is a terminal region, and A2 also terminal region, and finally solidification. Solid is also terminal region. Terminal is nothing but it is linked to either x-axis or y-axis, not mixed with mixed state. So here, how many terminal lines is available? Here, delta, alpha, and cementite. These three regions are terminal regions. Remaining all mixed regions. Mixed means it is a liquid with solid solution. It is also one of the mixed region. And one more, alpha plus gamma. It is also mixed region. In between having some of the mixed regions available. What type of mixed region? Austenite, leadberite, and cementite. I already said how to identification of the material soft nature to hard nature. Initially, the alpha is a very soft nature up to certain region. Again, sorry, it is very soft and soft, hard, very hard, hardable. So this type of things, just notations is important. That points keep it into your mind. So if you are cross the more than 2%, the structure, entire structure will be changed. What type of 2% carbon percentage with iron? If you are mixed the up to 2%, it will be formation of steels. But keep in your mind, in practically in market side, various types of steels available according to percentage of the carbon with iron. That discussion will be discussed under third module. Continuation with cast irons also. Now, first A1 727 degrees centigrade, A2 what type of temperature? Again 727, but between temperature is important. So maximum temperature 912 degrees centigrade. A3, it is also the temperatures between 727 degrees, maximum 1394 degrees centigrade, but 1130 degrees centigrade the eutectic point will be generated. Now A4 it is maintained between the 1349 1394 degrees centigrade. Now ACM, so between temperatures, this is the 1130 degrees centigrade and it is the 727 degrees centigrade. Now, see, it is the microstructure of iron carbide diagram, but it is the off of the figure is available. See, initially completely liquid state is available. Liquid state is nothing but two elements, both iron and carbon, both are in soluble nature. But during solidification, the liquid state, it is a initially liquid state. So it in liquid state, the completely two elements are soluble, but the carbon is placed in interstitial solid solution. So again, during solidification, the liquid state is converted into two soluble solid states. That means mixed type of freezing states. It is the one of the mushy state. It is also one of the mushy state. You see here, what is the difference? The states will be different. At the same time, resultant of grains are different. See, some amount of liquid is available, some amount of grain formation also available. Similarly, here, some amount of liquid and some amount of solid nature, but you can identify the grain size and shape is you can identify. See here, the size of the grains are bigger than the second solid state nature. So it is very hardable, it is soft as compared to between these two. But in the initial condition, it is a liquid state. So this point is the junction point. It is the eutectic point. From this eutectic point, the liquid state is converted into two solid states, S1 and S2. Similarly, from 1130 degrees centigrade, one more during solidification, this type of mixed state again converted into grain formation. That means the dendroid formation is possible. Dendroids means either x-axis or y-axis, not a z-axis. That point keep in your mind. Okay. Similarly, during solidification, entire liquid is converted to solid. But according to region, the structure nature will be changed. Initially, it is a liquid structure. Here, FCC structure. Sorry, it is a BCC structure. It is a FCC structure. Again goes to BCC structure. Now, here important point. If you are change the structure, austenite to, if you are cross the boundaries between austenite to ferrite, what is the changes? The gamma iron is converted into alpha iron. So it is the graphical representation diagram. It is the alpha gamma transformation. So if you are cross the temperature, so what happen? One type of structure is converted into another type. So if you are maintain the temperature, it is stable. Otherwise, it is not maintained. That is metastable system. So here important point, either formation of graphite or either formation of cementite. What is the differences between graphitized mechanism to cementite mechanism? Graphitized mechanism is mostly important for to improve the strength of existing material. So you can maintain between temperature, austenite to ferrite temperature. So it is possible to lead the graphitizing method as well as cementite method. Cementite mechanism. Cementite mechanism means it is to increase the hardness, not strength. So strength and hardness both important. For example, steels having more strength as compared to cast irons. Like cast iron having more hardenable as compared to steels. That 2 points are important. If you are increase the more cementite nature, what happen? Brittleness will be increased. Now, initially just a representation of microstructure diagram for iron and carbon diagram. Initially melting point, the initially melting point. It is a liquid state microstructure. So liquid type of molten metal will be goes to solidification. First precipitation of carbon with ferrous. So precipitation is in word mixing, is a starting mixing. How much percentage? Less than 0.8 percentage as well as 0 greater than 0.8 percentage. From this point onwards, the changing of the structure is possible. Liquid state to austenite. This austenite structure is the most important to lead the either ferrite or grain boundaries for cementite. So two types of natures is possible by precipitation for ferrite or precipitation of cementite structure. That means formation. Precipitation is nothing but one more nearly by meaning formation. So that formation is possible. So here important point. If you are looks the austenite structure, it is appear ash color or dark color. It is looks like
సార్
this
అక్కడ ఆస్టనైట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ అంటే FCC ఉంటుందా సార్?
both nana. కానీ ఇక్కడ
Both.
ఆస్టనైట్ లో ఏది హార్డబుల్ గా ఉంటుందో మీరు చెప్పాలి. ఫెర్రైట్ ఈజ్ ఏ సాఫ్ట్, ఆస్టనైట్ ఈజ్ ఏ హార్డబుల్. ఎందుకంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ సాలిడిఫైడ్. సి ఏ డార్క్ కలర్ ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ, ఇక్కడ
Okay.
కనిపిస్తుంది మీకు. డార్క్ కలర్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ కూడా హార్డబుల్. ఇక్కడ మీకు సాఫ్టబుల్ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇంకా మనకి సాలిడ్ కాలేదు, ఇంకా లిక్విడ్ స్టేట్ లో ఉంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్ నాట్ సాలిడ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ సాలిడ్ సొల్యూషన్. సొల్యూషన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ లిక్విడ్ స్టేట్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్రెడీ సాలిడిఫైడ్ విత్ లిక్విడ్. ఆర్ అండర్స్టూడ్? ఇక్కడ సాలిడ్ అయిందంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ హార్డబుల్. ఫెరైట్ ఇంకా
Yes,
సాలిడ్
sir.
కాలేదు కాబట్టి ఇంకా మనకి లిక్విడ్
Very
ఎలా
soft.
ఉంటుంది? సాఫ్ట్ నేచర్,
సాఫ్ట్ ఉంటుంది.
బట్ వెరీ సాఫ్ట్ అని చెప్పాలి ఇక్కడ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సి
Oh.
అకార్డింగ్ టు హియర్
As compared to austenite, sir.
yes, both as compared to between two, ferrite and austenite. Here table is already available. Ferrite, it is a very soft as compared to austenite. But common thing you can compare between two, ferrite and austenite, it is a hardable, it is a soft nature. But if you are compare between three, ferrite, austenite and cementite, it is a very soft, it is a soft, it is hard, medium hard. Are you understood? మీరు కంపేర్
Yes, sir.
చేసే 2 or 3 or 4 ఆ పాయింట్స్ పట్టుకొని మనం చెప్పాలి. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇక్కడ 2 చెప్తున్నప్పుడు విచ్ వన్ ఇస్ ద హార్డబుల్? ఆస్టనైట్ అండ్ ఫెరైట్ ఈస్ సాఫ్ట్. బట్ యాజ్ కంపేర్డ్ టు బిట్వీన్ 3 అన్నప్పుడు ఫెర్రైట్, యాస్టనైట్ అండ్ సిమెంటైట్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి, వెరీ సాఫ్ట్, సాఫ్ట్, హార్డ్, వెరీ హార్డ్ అండ్ మీడియం హార్డ్ అండ్ హార్డ్. సారీ, ఇక్కడ సిమెంటైట్ అనేది లాస్ట్ రావాలి, యాక్చువల్లీ బై మిస్టేక్. సిమెంటైట్ ఈస్ వెరీ హార్డబుల్. సో లాస్ట్ రీజన్ ఈస్ ద సిమెంటైట్ రీజన్. ఆర్ అండర్స్టూడ్ దిస్ పాయింట్?
Yes, sir.
And ఇక్కడ important point, one type of structure is converted to another type. That type of structures again converted into two types of structures. Austenite is converted into ferrite. At the same time, austenite is converted into cementite, both left and right regions. So here important point, temperature and percentage of the carbon. Austenite again converted into perlite structure. Perlite అనగానే మీకు ఒక ఐడియా రావాలి. It is looks like outer surface of the cabbage. It is looks like it is a parallel lines. It is looks like brain structure. పీర్లైట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ మీకు ఒక ఐడియా రావాలంటే మీకు బ్రెయిన్ విజువలైజేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, మనకి లైన్ బై లైన్, లైన్ బై లైన్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ నాట్ ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ జిగ్జాగ్ లైన్స్. So that type of, or else just you can observe the cabbage. It is one of the vegetable. Just you can observe the cabbage flower. That outer surface, it is looks like as a pear-like structure. So
Layer by layer.
layer by layer, but it is not complete parallel. It is a random zigzag manner. Are you understood? Zigzag manner. So between, if you compare between two, ferrite and pearlite, which one is the soft? Which one is the hardable? Ferrite is a very soft. Pearlite is a medium hard. Why medium hard is used? It is not complete solid as compared to austenite. Pearlite is not complete solid nature. It is a medium hard. As compared between, it is a medium hard. It is hardable. Are you understood this point, Nana? Now, at the same time, another structure, another side is one more structures are available. The changing of the grains is possible according to composition of carbon. So here, important point, pearlite structure and at the same time identification of the cementite structure. How to identify the cementite structure? See here, very thick, dark color boundary lines available on the microstructure. If you are identify the thick, that means weight layer will be higher. That thick boundary layer will be appear in the macrostructure. It is a looks like it is a cementite structure. Remaining in between volume having one of the pearlite structures. It is also parallel zigzag lines available, like cabbage surfaces or brain surfaces. That appears it is a pearlite. So here important point, from 0.8 percentage of the carbon is mixed with iron at 720 degrees centigrade. Hypo and hyper eutectic steels formation is possible. Hypoeutectic steel nature, once you identify ferrite, it is a very soft, and pearlite, here pearlite medium hard. So as compared to both nature, very soft and medium hard is possible for hypoeutectoid steels. So resultant to formation of number of tools, that means hand tools, mission operated tools, and so many structures is possible in hypoeutectoid steels. Why? It is not very hardable nature, it is a medium hard. So to change the structure or to change the entire formation is possible for hypoeutectoid steels. But another side, hypereutectoid steels available. What is the microstructures? Pearlite and cementite. So pearlite is a medium hard, and one more cementite. It is a very hardable. Both hardable nature. So entire microstructure is very hardable nature. So this type of structure nature of materials, it can't possible by the formation of any type of structures. అంటే ఇక్కడ హార్డ్నెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉందంటే ఏమైతుంది? ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎఫెక్టెడ్ టు బ్రిటల్నెస్ ఇంప్రూవ్ అయింది. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎఫెక్టెడ్ టు టూల్స్. అంటే టూల్ లైఫ్ అనేది డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏదైనా స్ట్రక్చర్ చేంజ్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే ఇట్లాంటి మెటీరియల్స్కి మనం ఎక్కువగా ఏ యూజ్ చేస్తాం? మనం హైపోఇటెక్టాయిడ్ స్టీల్స్ అండ్ యుటెక్టాయిడ్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ రీజియన్లోనే మనం యూజ్ చేస్తారు. అంటే ఇక్కడ 0.8% ఆఫ్ ద కార్బన్ ఉంది. ఈ పర్టికులర్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్, సారీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రీజన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ సైడ్ రీజన్. Left side region hypoeutectoid steels is mostly used in to formation for hand tools and mission tools. But remaining here, some of the structures is available. It is also used for some of the tools, and mostly it is utilized for mission bodies. Are you understood? Main bigger size of blocks, it is prepared by this type of material like cast irons. So important point, this center point line is important from left side or right side. So graphical representation, you
Percentage
can,
of carbon increase అయిన కొద్ది brittleness increase అవుతుంది కదా
yes, it is a common thing. So మనకి ఇక్కడ important point up to 2% is important for formation of the steels. That point just keep in your mind. Globally, you can say how to differentiate steels to cast iron by the percentage of the carbon. If you are using up to 2%, it is formation of steels. If you are cross the 2% of the carbon, it formation of cast iron. But in practically 2.12 percentage, it is that percentage is not available in the textbook, but global world it is up to 2%. Are you understood this point?
yes sir
Now here one more important point. See here one of the triangle line is available. So what is the, this red color is indicated, it is the temperature. So initially higher temperature, it is lower temperature. It is a common formation of the solidification. During solidification, higher temperatures will be goes to lower temperatures. That point is important. If you are change the this type of triangle into reverse manner, what happened? Anyone can say the answer? See
Solid
this,
to liquid.
yes, if you are same it is same diagram. The temperature diagram triangle will be looks like ulta. That means
inverted
it is appear reverse manner.
Inverse.
What happened resultant here? Why this type
solid
of
to liquid sir.
method? Just you can
Method.
say the method. It is a solidification method. One more method?
liquid
No. Parallelly solidification కి one more word ఉంది ఇంకోటి. Preheat, pre-processing process. Melting.
yes sir yes.
But if you are using the melting, it is possible to change the structure. Is possible? Not possible. Entire structure will be changed during melting process. So we are using heat treatment process. You can use that word. Heat treatment methods are applicable for this type of structures. Why heat treatment methods are used? To change the structures or elevate the mechanical properties.
to improve the grain size
Grain, whatever grain structure.
yes sir
Okay, one. Are understood? Here A1, A2, A3, A4 and ACM lines. Temperatures are important. Okay. Now see ferrite. Once you identify, it is a ferrite structure. It is a very soft. Austenite, it is also soft. Cementite, it is a very hardable. Please that point keep in mind. During very hardable nature, the entire structure is not possible formation of any deformation methods like rolling, forging, or extrusion, or some of the mechanisms is available. Now perlite, it is also soft nature, but it is as compared to remaining structures, it is medium hard like ferrite and austenite. Now leaderite, it is a mixed region of between two. It is a region from eutectic point onwards, between regions it is a boundary line is available. It is hardable nature. Today anybody have doubts? Tell me, Babu, anybody have doubts from iron carbon diagram? So initially you can identify the allotropic formation of iron. Then next you can same methods will be linked to binary alloy phase diagrams like iron carbide diagram. Anybody have doubts? If you are not raised the doubts, your levels will be goes to same position. Just think into your mind. Why this region or is used? Already one region available. Why are using one more region? Or else this region is available. Why are using steel? That thinking manner is important. No one are having doubts? No, not responded. Okay, only one topic is pending in the second unit. Tomorrow I will discuss the
Sir, lead structure is compared to pearlite hard, sir.
yes. See, there are already a table column already given to you. See, lead ebrate structure hard as compared to ferrite and austenite. Are you understood? దీనికంటే
Yes, sir.
పేర్లైట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కంటే హార్డ్గా ఉంటుంది. పేర్లైట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది మనకి? ఇట్ ఈస్ లుక్స్ లైక్ బ్రెయిన్ స్ట్రక్చర్, outer layer of brain structure, not inner layer. Are you understood? Outer layer, outer layer. If you are seeing the top view or front view or side view, whatever it may be, it is looks like it is a randomized parallel lines.
Sir, lead structure దేంట్లో ఏ మెటీరియల్స్ లో ఉంటుంది సార్?
మెటీరియల్ అని కాదండి, ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మిక్స్డ్ రీజియన్ సాలిడ్ సొల్యూషన్. అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ